Starts right away. I don't know, to be honest, the battery seems fine to me. As you guys saw, both times the bike started no problem, and I didn't have it on a battery tender. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Back on the H2 once again. Trying to go to the shop, figure out the issue that I had from the codes the bike gave me and everything. It seems like it was a battery issue, but as you guys saw in the start of this video, the bike wasn't hooked up to a battery tender or anything, and it started perfectly fine. Started perfectly fine after I got gas too. So I don't know, it's a little confusing, but I don't even know how old this battery is on this H2, so might as well have it replaced by a better battery, and we'll see if the issue is going to come back or if everything's going to be fine after that. Oh boy, here we go again. It's a weekend, come on, man. I kind of forgot that I have an auto blooper now on this bike. It's like I ride this bike and I'm kind of like locked in on how the bike is. I forgot about the auto blooper and all. When I hop on the R1, it's like a different, you know, riding mode in my head. The H2 curse continues. It's a weekend and it's kind of a little late in the day. Usually on weekends there's more traffic a little like earlier because everyone's trying to go out or whatever. But clearly that is not the case. There's literally traffic all the time. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm noticing this like traffic and all that stuff way more because back when I got the H2, it was like literally the start of COVID. I got the H2 March in 2020 of last year. So I was very used to like the open streets because of quarantine and everything. There was like barely any cars, no, like everything was closed, no work, no nothing. Everyone was home because of quarantine and COVID. So I kind of got used to the open streets and I forgot how much traffic there is, but I could have sworn it wasn't this bad, you know. Like I remember on weekends there used to like never be traffic because people don't have to go to work. So I don't know, like are all these people right now on this freeway just going out to have fun or something, or because of COVID there's no more like the typical Monday through Friday and some people still, like all these people still work during the weekends? I just don't know, but I know that I don't like it because it's, I mean, what's the point of having these crazy liter bikes if all I'm doing is splitting lanes going really slow? I could be on a freaking 400 and doing the same thing, to be honest. So it's a little annoying, I'm not gonna lie. All we can do is make the best of it, right? Night rides used to be the shit, but currently it's getting colder and colder, so nobody wants to ride at night, including me, to be honest. It's already like, this weather is pretty deceiving right now. It seems nice, but it's actually pretty cold. I'm double layered and everything. But yeah, we're going to the shops after hours. I texted the boys. I was like, are you guys actually closing on time, or are you guys gonna hang out at the shop? He said they're gonna be there. They're working on the other H2, so battery's not a big deal. So we'll just get that replaced real quick and just, I don't know, hang out, do whatever. I just hope that this traffic gets reduced soon. so I can enjoy my ride a little bit more. Also, I've told you guys before that I kept the throttle on being like kind of super sensitive and aggressive because it's more fun and all that stuff. But honestly, I might switch it to the map where it's making the same power, the engine is the same, just the throttle a little bit smoother, because as you guys see, like, I'm doing micro adjustments that you guys can't even see in the video, and the bike is like very kind of like aggressive, or but like not in a good way. Like it cuts power and it gives too much power right when I get on, like when I do the smallest adjustment on the throttle. And the issue isn't that, I actually enjoy that, but the issue, as you guys see, like all these bumps make your hand move slightly, and those teeny tiny slight movements actually causing the bike to like gain speed and lose speed, you know what I mean? Like it's that sensitive that I don't know if you guys just noticed that, like it's not the bike cutting power or anything, it's just like all these bumps. You see that? So yeah, it's a little annoying because the streets aren't the nicest. They're pretty bumpy, and those little bumps like cause the bike to not be smooth. And that was in 6th gear, so now that I'm in 3rd, I need to be like extremely cautious with my throttle because it is not a joke. It's so aggressive that I never need to go under 5th gear. Like, this is plenty of power now with the tune. Realistically, I only need to be in 6th gear the whole time. It's just more than enough power and torque. Unless like I'm straight up racing or at the track, which I wouldn't take this bike to the track because it's lowered. It just doesn't feel that great. It would be good content. Maybe in the future if I ended up getting another H2 way down in the future. I'm going on my R1M later this month. That should be fun. Going with a bunch of friends to the track. My knees are still banged up. I was hoping they would be good by now, but still banged up. I know it's going to be painful at the track, but oh well. Hopefully it doesn't delay the healing even longer, especially because it's cold now. I want to wear normal jeans, not the jeans with holes. A sight you guys have never seen, except for the OG people at like 1,000 subscribers. Those are the only people that see me with full-on regular jeans, not jeans with holes. You can tell that the weather is cold from the bike's temperature. It's in the low 150s. I don't even have an intercooler, man. Those shifts though. Jeez. The 1st to 2nd gear shifts are just like on another level of aggressiveness. I love it though. How are you doing?
Good.
Oh my god. Actually, I would want to see this because I'm kind of cutting it close. I'm halfway through.
That's not close, man.
That's pretty close, man. I got there in a year. Pretty much.
You're at about 7,500?
Yeah, I passed. I'm at like 8,000 something miles. Oh my god.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of gaskets you need, bro.
Yeah.
There's the valve cover gasket. There's all these O-rings. There's 8 of them.
That's
the box has a gasket.
That's not the issue, man. The issue is seeing it like this.
No.
Or maybe I'll ride it less because of this. I'll get to the valve adjustment and just stop riding it.
$14,999. Just stop.
Yeah, that's cool seeing the frame like this though.
Nothing on it.
Yeah.
It's so small.
Yeah. I'm about to get some track fairings on my R1M. I'm not trying to take the carbon fiber to the track.
Oh, this one's yours.
No, this is not mine.
Okay.
Yeah, mine is at home.
But you got one like that.
Yeah, exactly like it. All right, we'll see how this process is gonna go. I mean, it's a battery change. What process? There's no process. I don't know what's up. The bike is behaving right now. Ended up not changing the battery. Had the wrong one. It was like a smaller one for Ducatis and stuff like that. Correct brand and all, just not the right size, I guess. So I'll be back next week for that with a couple other adjustments. I look into my kickstand slash auto blooper sensor, because sometimes it's not letting me start the bike unless I'm in gear, and sometimes it doesn't even want to go into first gear when I'm in neutral. So I'll figure out whatever is going on there, but all that's gonna be next week. But so far the bike is, it's a tired day. I don't want to jinx it, but it's been good. Starting normal. Whoa! What the hell was that pop? I've never heard it pop that loud. God damn. Yeah, next time we'll get it checked out. The bike has been running good. It's going into gear. It's starting normal. So hopefully it stays that way. But regardless, I'm still gonna get those things checked out because I don't want it to die at me. At a car meet or somewhere where I won't be able to get assistance. So it's better to figure it out sooner than later. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. I can't see because it's cold and my helmet is all foggy. But peace out, ride safe, like, subscribe, support. See you guys next time.